Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to move a website from subdomain to live site in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website on the subdomain that you want to move to live site, click on these three dots. In my case, my subdomain is checklist.benstutorial.com and I want to move it to my live site, which is just benstutorial.com. First, let's check this subdomain website. This is my test website. Now, to move it to the live site, it's simple. Click on these three dots. First, just in case, it is better to have a copy of your subdomain website. So click on duplicate website. Select the plan in which you want to duplicate. In my case, I only have this single business web hosting plan. Website was duplicated successfully. To see it here on this list, just refresh this page. And this is the backup copy of my subdomain. Now, to switch from this subdomain to live site, click again on the same three dots, select change domain. This window pops up. Check this box next to I understand that email, subdomains, and backups linked to the current domain will be lost. Don't worry, click on change. Now fill in your live site domain. In my case, it's benstutorial.com. Do you own this domain? Yes, use it. Click on next. And domain added to your live site. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And domain added to your live site. Click on continue. And now your test website that was hosted on the subdomain, it was moved successfully to live site. And this is how to move a website from subdomain to live site in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.